Knowing a batch is ready to close in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you the Production Cockpit's readiness score, the 7 checks behind every batch, and how a red check takes you straight to the fix. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Production Cockpit from your dashboard. Before you close out a batch and send it to packaging, let's check it's actually ready, not just old enough. This is your Production Cockpit, and every batch nearing maturity is here with a real readiness score. Open a batch and I break it into 7 checks: demand, materials, vessel, sanitation, yeast, packaging, and variance. Green means satisfied. Amber or red means something's still missing. If you see a red check, click it, and I'll take you straight to the screen where you fix it. Logging a missing addition, confirming a vessel, or recording a yeast harvest. Once every check is green, this batch is genuinely ready to close, with production evidence behind it, not a guess. That's a batch you can close with confidence.